having a great day. Our day has started out a little on the slow side. Me and Teresa are rewatching Breaking Bad and get a little distracted watching that. So, but we got some stuff we got to do. Obviously, we got a ton of work to do to the car. We're making small amounts of progress. We got the engine basically assembled. We got it painted. We got a bunch more work we got to do. One of the things that we're going to do is we are going to do a rewiring of the car, basically like I did with the fail TD. But before we can start doing all that, we got to take basically most of the old stuff out. We'll reuse some of the wiring for like the headlights and for the tail lights and stuff like that. So, and we're going to redo some of the stuff with the dash. There's a lot. It's a lot of crap. So anyway, I'll start taking it apart and then we can put it all back together again. Slowly but surely, right, Henry? This is not really what a good time looks like. Now we're having some real fun. Damn, that thing's heavy. We got the dash and frame and wiring and stuff pulled away from the dash. We got it kind of set over there. Of course, it beat the crap, but who cares? It's just, I went without a dash in the Love Boat, and I don't hate it, but that's because it's a Lincoln Town car, and I didn't hate it once I kind of got it all put together. I was like okay with it. A Mustang, I got to have some kind of a dash. You know, I thought about a Scott Rod one or whatever, but you know, those things are like $200 when you get it shipped and with tax and stuff, and it's not a ton lighter than the factory stuff. The factory one's, I think, right around 10 pounds or so, that setup. So anyway, but yeah, we got that part of it took off. So this is not a good time. The wiring stuff, I can't stand it. I noticed in the comment section a few people were talking about piston to valve clearance. Oh my God. Oh my God. Here we go. Oh, it doesn't hit. Oh, it doesn't hit. Oh, it doesn't hit. So, yeah, and I haven't got them all like tidy, you know, tighty-whitey.
You gotta lose those tighty-whities. What?
But we're not gonna run, you know, they're all snug down. Nothing is touching. Or at least on this side. How about that? So, piston to valve clearance, I'm not the guy to listen to on that because, you know, like anyone else, I guess, I've done my fair share of reading on it. There's a bunch of different theories and stuff like that. So we rolled it around with no head gasket on it. I did not stick any clay on it or anything like that. It didn't touch. With no head gasket, guess what? With a 40 thousandths head gasket, I've got at least that much, and I'll be okay with that. We'll just call that good. So, but I'm a freewheeler. I don't, you know, do a bunch of. I've got a couple cars sneaking around that they're a little tight, and you know what? We'll just roll with it. So. Anyway, there we go. We are back out in the shop and we got one of the parts that we ordered. I had spent all my money, literally and figuratively. I spent all my money. I already opened it just to make sure both pieces are in here. We got a sticker, bless their hearts, Midwest Chassis Incorporated. We bought a lightweight steering column. And I just dropped that part. So we will fast forward this part. So here is our lightweight steering column. It also, we got the, they weld on the quick release. This is not a SFI release. It's I say substantially cheaper. It's cheaper and uses a 3-bolt wheel that our Jones steering wheel that we've got. This is the exact same deal that I have in the FLTD, and I was very happy with it. I ordered it. I think I ordered it Monday. Today is Friday. I got it. So good guys. Been very happy. Like I say, they do a lot of F-body stuff. It's MidwestChassis.com, and again, I was very happy. They also make these with tabs in case you want to use factory plastics, but we won't. This makes where I can put the line lock button on the steering wheel, which I like it. I have the 2-step button on the shifter. That's just the way I like it, so I'll be very happy. We have a line lock button right here that was given to us by a subscriber, and I'll be daggummed if I can remember his name, but he knows who he is, and I appreciate it. We're going to use this. We're going to put it on our steering wheel. I will also give you the weights for kind of the factory column with the wheel, and then this. It's not going to be a huge weight savings, but it is a weight savings, and it makes it easier for not getting the cord all tangled up. We also got a universal to go from 3/4 round to double D. Now, if you have a factory steering shaft that you're going to use, you're going to cut the union off, and then you're going to use, it'll be a round to round. So anyway, I have an aftermarket, so it'll be double D to round. Anyway, we also got something in the mail from a subscriber. For the record, we do not, this is from, we got rid of our P.O. boxes. I keep forgetting to go by there. Gosh, the guy wrote in cursive, and I feel terrible that it's maybe put a letter inside. But it is from Sean, looks like Cagewell, Cogwell. I'm sure you can let me know. I think I know what it is. I mean, I know what it is, but I don't know what it is. Just gonna cut myself wide open. It's from Canada. I got a letter. I got a sticker too. Oh man, don't worry. Sean's Boosted Garage. Hey, sweet. This guy's got his own, look at that. Hey, this guy's got merch, dude. He's got a little sticker. That's awesome. I'm gonna put that on my cabinet. I got a letter. Handwritten, bro. Sean, looks like Cogswell. I was pretty close. Here's the cano. Been watching since I believe we had 3 months ago. Wow. OG. Well, drag racing Mustang content. We're trying to drag race. I don't know if you collect license plates, but not. Close one from Province of New Brunswick, where I live. You viewers are looking for another channel to watch. I call Sean's Boosted Garage. I've got an 03 Mach 1. Been modifying over the years and just started documenting in the last couple of years. Hey, so you guys check out Sean's Boosted Garage. Very cool. And I'll hang the tag up in here. I hang them sometimes from the rafters of the shop. So thanks, man. I appreciate that. And I'll put your little sticker. It's a small one, which is awesome because I've got some small spots. Sean, I appreciate that. Thank you very much. You guys are too good to me. But again, don't send us anything. I took all the information for the PO boxes, I think, out of all the descriptions for the videos. So hopefully you guys don't send me nothing. We don't need nothing. We're good. We'll figure it out. So anyway, it's also our basically 7 years. I said that in another video. The first video I put out September 20th of 2016 of starting the YouTube channel. So I certainly appreciate all you guys that have hung around for a long time. None of us are getting any younger. We're definitely getting a little older. So, but yeah, so let's cool it off a little bit. I'm trying to get some more work done, get some more of these cars going, get to the track, get racing. Let's get motivated. Let's go, go, go. Let's go! Let's go. So let me get to work. See you guys in the next clip. Here we go. 12 pounds. That still has the blinker stalk and key stuff, so 12 whole pounds. All right, we got it on the scale. We saved 5 pounds. I know that does not sound a lot, especially if you want to consider the cost. So what did this cost? It comes with a collar, the shaft, the housing, the quick release, and they weld that on for you. Was $243 shipped. They offer free shipping on a lot of their stuff at midwestchassis.com. Again, this is the second one that I've ordered, and I ordered the other one like 3 or 4 years ago. Again, they got it out to me quick, so don't have any complaints with their product. Also, I'd like to thank Jason. He did not technically buy this steering wheel, but he did send me a Summit gift card quite a while back, and I used it to buy this steering wheel in anticipation of buying another one of these. I knew it'd be down the road somewhere, but I was going to get one. So this is going to make life a lot easier. Now we can have the steering wheel adjusted where we want. You know, it was a little too close for me, but I can move it back a little bit, plus release it, plus being able to put the corded button without it getting tangled and everything. So these are all benefits besides the little bit of weight loss. Plus, I think they look cool. I'm that guy. I want to have a wannabe race car. This is, you know, this is part of the process. So anyway, again, thanks Jason for helping me get at least this part of it, and then thanks to you guys for helping me get this. You know, YouTube money. We're making tens,
millions, and millions of dollars,
of tens of dollars off YouTube. So I appreciate you guys a lot. That's, hey, homies helping homies. So anyway, let me get back to work. We also have another thing that we have a ProForm throttle body and a bolt kit to change out our HP main body and our zinc cast parts. So that will lighten the car up a little bit. Throttle body may be a little bit of an improvement. It's something I wanted to try. Granted, we won't know how good it is because we're not actually doing apples to apples. But at some point, I will order a base plate and either put this one back together. I'll build another car piecemeal just to have, and because we'll need one on 351. So anyway, it's just something I wanted. I've had this for months. I bought this months and months and months ago, and it was originally intended for the FLTD, but again, I'm happy with the FLTD the way it is, so I figured the way McNugget has progressed, we'll put it on that. So let me start taking this apart. Wow, look at this thing from sitting. Holy smoke, that is nuts. Wow, that's the front bowl. Holy crap. Back just as bad. I typically always run non-ethanol fuel. Every now and then I put in some regular gas just because I don't have a choice. But holy smoke. Get our screws out. Main body off. This all looks good. Even the gasket still looks good. Of course, the kit from ProForm comes with a base plate gasket, metering block and bowl gaskets. Comes with rings. Comes with bleeds. Comes with jets, and of course with the main body. So here we go. Comes with boosters already on it. It's already got air bleeds in it, so nice. All right. Looking good, or it will. They send the bowls with no badges, but it comes with a set of ProForm badges. But if you want the CFM of your carburetor, you can send them a thing and they'll send you the stickers. Well, we got the front side put together, but we ran into an issue. One of the springs for the float, it actually was just corroded, and it broke. So fixing to go in and see if I can find one. But we got it partially together, so look at how pretty that looks. But it means that way. So let me go in and look for some parts. But we're gonna go ahead and wrap this video up. Thanks again, Sean's Boosted Garage. That sticker right there. Thanks again to Sean for sending a tag. I appreciate it, and being a subscriber and watching for a long time. So yeah, and like I said, we got our steering shaft. Anyways, whatever. Thanks for commenting. Thanks for subscribing. Thanks for all the ways you guys support the channel. We couldn't do it without you. Wouldn't want to, but especially, thanks for watching. And until next time, I'm the substandard leader in Fox Body Videos, owner of one of the messiest shops you'll ever see. One, your only link is for drag vans. Always fighting the good fight against Dr. Fear, and we are ready to get back to that. See you guys in the next video.